everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Laura Train Mama. Today we are having a look at this Thomas and Friends book. It's called The Sounds of Sodor. I hope you enjoy it. Let's go. This book belongs to me, Laura Train Mama. A composer was coming to Sodor to write music for a brass band concert. Thomas had been chosen to show him around. The great composer wanted to hear the sounds of Sodor to help him write his tune. But what are the sounds of Sodor? Thomas wondered. Thomas listened carefully. He heard birds, animals, and the sea. Those must be the sounds of Sodor, he thought. Then, with a wheesh and a whoosh, Emily puffed past. She was very noisy. The composer won't be able to hear the sounds of Sodor, thought Thomas. I will have to take him where there aren't any engines. Thomas puffed to Knapford Station, where the great composer was waiting. I'm here to take you to the sounds of Sodor, sir. Thomas peeped proudly. Wonderful, boomed the composer. I will write my special tune as we puff along. First, Thomas puffed to the gurgling stream. Fish splish-splashed in the water. Here are the sounds of Sodor, he said. The composer listened. Then there was a loud huff. It was Gordon, pumping his pistons. Shh, Gordon, wheeshed Thomas. The composer can't hear the sounds of Sodor. Next, Thomas went to the whispering woods. The leaves rustled and the birds sang. The composer listened. Then came a rattle and a clatter. It was Mavis. Shh, Mavis, steamed Thomas. The composer can't hear the sounds of Sodor. As Thomas whooshed away, he wished all his friends weren't so loud. The composer would never be able to write his tune. Suddenly an idea flew into Thomas's funnel. The quarry is closed today, so none of my noisy friends will be there, he peeped. So Thomas puffed to the quarry. Here are the sounds of Sodor, said Thomas. The composer listened. There aren't any sounds, he said. Then there was a loud beep, beep. It was James's whistle. Shh, James, tooted. Thomas tooted, puffing away, but James chased after him, blowing his whistle loudly. Beep. Then there was trouble. Thomas was chuffing towards a pile of fallen stones. Thomas, look out! Wheeshed James. Thomas braked. His coaches bumped. The composer's sheets of music flew out of the window and blew away. My special tune, he cried. Thomas felt terrible. I'm sorry, sir, steamed Thomas sadly, but how did you write a tune? My noisy friends spoiled all the sounds of Sodor. Thomas, your friends are the sounds of Sodor, said the composer, but now I don't have my tune for the concert. An idea bubbled up in Thomas's boiler. He wheeshed away to find his friends. That brings us to the end of that Thomas and Friends story called The Sounds of Sodor. I really hope that you have enjoyed listening along with me today. And if you did, please don't forget to like the video and check your subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.